Ultimate is an exciting, non-contact, co-ed team sport. 7 players pass a frisbee to advance up a field and score in an end zone. The game is fast-paced and dynamic, with possession easily changing. The sport is unique in several ways, most notably that it is self-refereed and governed by spirit of the game. There has been Ultimate in South Africa since the 1990s, and the country has been sending teams to international competitions since 1998. The sport is growing quickly in South Africa, with new tournaments and teams starting all the time. In Gauteng, a large province which encompasses Pretoria and Johannesburg, there are approximately 200 active players and 7 active teams. South Africa is a multi-ethnic society and one with the challenging past of discrimination and segregation under apartheid. The vast majority of black South Africans were not enfranchised until 1994, only 22 years ago, and poverty and inequality remain widespread, and about a quarter of the population unemployed and living on less than $1.25 a day. To put this in perspective, the unemployment rate in South Africa is 26.7%, one of the highest in the world, and the youth unemployment sits at 52.9%. Entry-level jobs such as retail or fast food pay only $1.15, and there is a huge unskilled workforce. Ultimate is an ideal sport for developing nations as it has low barriers to entry. All you need is a disc and open space. The Gauteng Flying Disc Association is committed to transformation in South Africa and upliftment of previously disadvantaged individuals. In this spirit, we introduce our outreach teams, the Soweto Movers and the Orange Farm Ultimates, which are both entirely made up of black South Africans. The GFDA's objective is to not only grow the ultimate community in Gauteng, but transform its demographics. The long-term goal is to ensure that South African national sides, the Mambas, Scorpions and Bafazi, are more diverse and reflective of our Rainbow Nation.
It's the only sport I know that involves females and males in one place, and it's friendly. You don't get to fight with anyone. There's no referee, so yeah, that's why I like Ultimate.
There's a lot of discipline, and since there's no referee in this entire sport, it kind of teaches you that, like, do the right thing even when no one is looking. You know, it's an awesome sport. Actually, it's amazing.
It brings people together, you know. I no longer hang around at the corners, doing irresponsible things. I'm more responsible now. I want to see myself in the nationals playing there. Actually.